Your head.
What the is going on?
Something says fetch.
This is what they tried to make me sound like.
Follow me. Thanks. Now, hi, thanks. Now, can you give me some red? Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting?
I've never been outside before.
I can have what I want, 'cause I want it. Who cares? I don't care.
I've never been outside before.
A new playmate. Look like a girl, but I feel like a guy. Not ladylike to behave like a slime.
These guys made it through.